Welcome! And once again, it is time for Dave, Chef to the Stars. Natalie Byrne came into my diner of ill reputation looking for a unique sandwich. She said, make me a sandwich I've never had before, and I said, okay. She was busy filming the upcoming movie Till Death Do Us Part, and so I made this, a Italian chicken melt. What we started with here is my standard pizza sauce, a can of 28-ounce San Marzano tomatoes, a tablespoon of olive oil, 3 cloves of garlic minced, little salt, about a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, black pepper to taste, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes just to wake everything up, give it a taste, add a little sugar if need be. And that's really it for the sauce. Again, if you want to simmer it on the stove for 20 minutes, go ahead, but I feel with this particular sauce, it's not needed. Then I took 2 chicken breasts, cut them in half lengthwise, rubbed them down with a rub I bought at my local grocery store, and put them on the smoker until they were done. Took a couple of hours, nothing major. Smoked them at 225 if you're interested. Okie dokie. Now let's start assembling the sandwich. And basically I just toasted this bread for a few minutes in a 450 degree oven. Same temperature you're going to bake it. So it took about 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes, somewhere in there, just until you see a light little golden brown coming. And it's really more just to protect the bread so it doesn't soak up too much sauce. Because again, the cheese can only do so much. And if your bread's not toasted, it's going to soak up too much sauce. And it's just going to be a soggy mess of shit. So, again, 5 minutes, 450. All right, let's start adding the cheeses. To half the sandwiches, I decided to go with a bit of Swiss. On the other, I decided to go with a bit of provolone. I like to give people a little bit of variety. And then to the other half of the bread, we're going to be adding some Colby Jack cheese. And I do this on all 4. Okay, then that barbecue smoked chicken we made. Well, I cut that up into little itty-bitty strips. And we're going to be placing that on one half of the bread. You can see there. Don't worry, we're going to make damn sure that shit can't move. Okay, and to one of these, we're going to add some pepper jack cheese. Hey, just in case you wanted it spicy. And then you want to add some salami. About 6 slices if you're counting. Correction, about 6 slices to each side of the bread. So every single one of these gets 6 slices. So that's 24 in total if you want to count. And then you want to add the same amount of pepperonis. And then I thought, you know what? What the hell? Fuck it. They're all getting pepper jack. And then you just want to spoon some sauce on top of each one of these. Spread it around. Again, you don't want to go crazy. But, yeah, just spread this around a little bit. And then you just want to pop these into the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's not going to take long. Just keep an eye on the cheese. When the cheese starts getting melty and bubbly and golden brown, that's when you pull them. All right, we'll see you after that step. Okie dokie. And that's what they should look like when they're done. And we're going to give these just a little bit of time to hang out and cool down a bit. And last thing we're going to do is just add a little bit more of that sauce on top. And that is really pretty much it. That is the Natalie Byrne Italian chicken sandwich. Now, why she ate it while wearing an adult onesie, And holding a teddy bear the entire time and trying to feed that? I have no idea. Well, anyway, that's the sandwich. Done. Get a little shot of the pull apart here. Alright, now this video is done.